help you when you are writing your story. The first thing you want to share is the saying, opportunity never knocks. You have to search it out and seize it, so remember that. Number 2, know yourself, particularly your weaknesses, and do not let a day pass without working on eliminating them from your life. Number 3, you all are very capable. You're more capable than you think. You've experienced some failures in your life, some of you experienced some missteps in your life, and you will experience many more as you go into the next stages of your life. But it's what you do in those valleys when you're making those missteps that will determine how high your peaks are, how high you go in the end. And for some of you, your peaks are much higher than you've ever dreamed they could be. So just remember that and believe it. Number 4, listen so that people will like to talk to you. Be a good listener. Number 5, do your work. Whatever that work might be, do your work. Number 6, prepare. Be prepared. And once you are prepared, throw that preparation away. Toss it aside and think outside the box, because that is where great ideas come from. And finally, number 7, take action. You have a choice. You always have choices. You can either be a passive player in your circumstance in your life, or you can be an active player in your life, the hero of your own best story. Every story you've ever read, every song you've ever listened to on the radio, every leader or teacher you've ever admired, every little thing that you have ever accomplished is a result of taking action. You will always remember this night, the night of your high school commencement ceremony, the culminating event of your high school career. I ask that you also remember that the word commencement also means a time when something begins. So it's also a beginning. And this beginning starts with the diploma that we are about to confer upon you. I ask that sometime soon you express your gratitude to your parents, to your teachers, and fellow students, all who have helped you bring you to this chapter.